yoga kids! Do you want to learn a yoga pose today? I am going to show you Tadasana or mountain pose. But let me tell you a story. Benny the bunny was playing in the forest. Today she was feeling a little sad. She was playing with all her friends when she realized that she was one of the smallest animals in the forest. As she walked through the forest, she noticed how tall the trees were and said, "I wish I could be as strong and tall as a tree." A big tree looked at her and started friendly laughing. "You don't have to be a tree to feel tall and strong." "What do you mean?" Benny asked the tree. "I am one of the smallest animals in the forest. How can I feel tall and strong?" So the friendly tree taught Benny Tadasana or mountain pose, where you stand as tall as a tree. "First, stand with your feet together," said the tree. "Feel the ground beneath you, like roots growing into the earth. Now, stretch your arms up high, reaching for the sky." Benny followed the tree's instructions. She stood with her feet together and her arms reaching up like branches. As she stood there, she felt the warm sun on her face and the gentle breeze on her skin. "Now, take a deep breath in through your nose," the tree said. "Feel yourself getting taller and hold it for a moment. And now breathe out slowly through your mouth." Benny took a deep breath, filling her belly like a balloon. "Wow, I feel so tall," she exclaimed. "It's as if I'm touching the clouds." "Great job, Benny. Now try it again," the tree encouraged. "This time, imagine you're a strong mountain, standing still and proud. You can also close your eyes if you want." Benny closed her eyes and imagined being a mountain, standing tall and strong. She felt sturdy like the biggest tree in the forest. She focused on her breath, in and out, feeling calm and peaceful. After a few breaths, Benny opened her eyes and giggled. "And this is fun. I feel like I could reach the stars." Benny was so happy. She practiced Tadasana a few more times, reaching her arms high and feeling like the tallest tree in the forest. As they finished their practice, Benny looked around her, looking at the tall trees swaying in the breeze. "Thank you for teaching me. I love feeling tall as a tree." The tree smiled. "Remember, Benny, you can always stand tall and feel strong, no matter where you are." From that day on, whenever Benny wanted to feel confident or feel a moment of peace, she would practice Tadasana. She loved standing tall and strong, just like the trees in her magical forest. And so Benny learned that being tall isn't just about height. It's about standing strong and feeling tall in your heart, just like all the beautiful trees around her. Do you like to feel tall and strong? Let's practice mountain pose or Tadasana together. Let's stand on your feet. And you firmly plant your feet in the ground. Do you feel any roots growing under your feet? Now you reach your arms up high. Keep your shoulders low, away from your ears. And let your fingertips reach the sky. Can you touch the clouds? Now if you want, you can close your eyes and notice how tall and strong you feel. Good job, kids. You can do this anytime you want to feel confident and strong. Do I see you next time for more yoga? Bye.